Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to cover on how to find the perimeter and the area of a triangle. So, the perimeter is add all side lengths. So, a triangle has three sides and we know all three the lengths, so we add these three together to get the perimeter. Area is a bit more complicated. As we know, the area is on a cube, the area is, or on a square I mean, the area is the length times the width, and then you have the area. For a triangle, you kind of do the same thing, but you call the two sides different, and because a triangle is basically the half of a cube, you have to divide it by 2. So, let's start off with the first example. We're going to have 2 examples in this video. I'm going to draw the other one after this one. So, let's start with the perimeter. As we can see, we have 3 sides, and we already have the side lengths. So, we just start off right away. Perimeter equals 26 plus 10 plus 24 equals 60 meters. So now we have our perimeter. This one was very easy because we had all the side lengths already. So now let's go over to the area. So the area equals base times height divided by 2. So we have 3 side lengths here, and we need the base and the height. So one of the 3 we're not going to use. The one we're not going to use is this one. So we can cross this one out, and we're going to use this one, these 2. So the base of the triangle is 24. So A equals base times height divided by 2. So A equals 24 is our base times 10 is our height divided by 2, which equals 120 meters squared. 120 square meters. So I did it very quick, but I can also write it out for you guys. So 24 times 10 equals 240. Now we have done this, the 24 times 10. Now we have to do 240 divided by 2, which will get us the area of 120 square meters. So this was the first example of how to find the perimeter and an area of a triangle. I'm going to draw another one for you guys, so you guys can try to master it by yourselves also. So, on to the second example. As you can see, we have a different type of triangle here. And we see 4 numbers now, instead of 3. And it's a bit turned around, and it has a dashed line. But this all will help us understand the triangle a bit better. So, to add the perimeter, get the perimeter, we have to add all side lengths. We have all of them, so we just add them up straight away. 12.5 or 12 and a half plus 12.5 again plus 20. So 12.5 plus 12.5 equals 25 plus 20 equals 45. So our perimeter will be 45 feet. This one was very easy because you just have to add the 3 together. Remember, you don't add this one to the perimeter because this is the height, and this we are going to use to find the area. Because remember, the perimeter is the outside length of the triangle and not what's inside, so not the height. So, onto the area. In the area, It's going to be pretty simple again. We do area equals base times height divided by 2. So we know our base is 20 feet. So 20 times and our height, and we have been given our height right here. 20 times 7.5 divided by 2. So this will equal 75 feet squared. Because I skipped a step, I'm going to show you how to do this easy. So first of all, we do this. 20 times 7.5. So 20 times 7.5 equals 150. So now we have our 150. We have to divide this by 2. 150 divided by 2 equals 75. And this will be our final answer of the second example. I hope you guys understand it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions on finding the perimeter and area of a triangle, or any questions in general, you can always ask them in the comments. And subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like the video, and I will see you guys in the next video.